Welcome back, guys. Today's video I'm going to show you a really fun and satisfying project that anybody can do if you just have a little bit of veg tan leather laying around and a scrap piece of wood, and that is a leather sharpening strop. You could use a lot of different materials to strop with when you're sharpening your tools and your knives, but leather is one of the best, and it really helps to mount it on a piece of wood like this, although you could just use a piece of leather by itself. But this provides a little space to sharpen your knives with the bolster over the edge of the wood. I made this one as a gift for my dad for Father's Day, and you could do this project in just a day or two, so there's still time. If you want to put something together like this, it makes a beautiful gift. It's something that everybody needs to have, and just a lot of fun to do. So stick around and I'll tell you how I built this one. This is a scrap piece of walnut that I had in my shop, but you could really use any piece of wood. You could use a piece of pine. You don't even have to have a handle on there. It just makes it a little bit fun, a little bit more unique, and really like how this one turned out. About the size of my hand here, and how much space I want for stropping as well. But I'm going to try and avoid working right on that knot, so we'll go just below here. And of course we'll put a radius on here. We'll probably add a slight bulge down here on the handle. We can work all this out when we're shaping the handle. But for now, this will give us an idea, and we can get the jigsaw in here and cut these corners out, and then we'll shape it. The jigsaw's out of blades, so we'll do the next best thing. I'll try and cut as good as I can. It doesn't have to be perfect because we have the belt sander we can use afterwards to clean it all up. So this will at least help. Oops, that worked. Okay, other side. It's already a good size. I really don't think I have to take much material off. Just round all of the edges, get a good radius on these spots here. Make it look nice. Sand it up, boom. Just be a good spanking paddle. Just kidding, I don't spank my kids. I'm gonna use this little 1-inch grinder to try and do my shaping on the handle. And I think I will try and run this along the edges too, just to take some of the saw marks off, and maybe on that surface as well. I don't want to mess too much with this because it's very flat. I don't think I will sand the surface that we're going to put the leather on at all, but this back side I might. So I'll take it up to probably about 240 or 300 grit on here, and then I'll finish it up with some hand sanding. got some deeper marks in here. I might have to actually go down a bit and grit and work my way back up.
$2,000 later.
We're keeping it simple with the finish. All right, that'll work. Here we go. Come back in the morning after it dries and it should be ready to put the finishing touches on there. Why do you say that?
Because of all.
Thanks for watching, guys. That was a super fun project. Please like and subscribe and all that stuff. I also have been building some sheaths for folks. So if you're interested in some of the sheaths that you've seen in my other videos, feel free to shoot me an email. I'm just taking them by order. So I've made some more mini trapper sheaths, case mini trapper, buck 110, buck 113, and I'd be happy to put your name on the list. So shoot me an email and I'll see you in the next video.